room, okay, my hotel room. So this is a mirror. This is a mirror. I don't know what this is used for, but let this be mirror, okay. And this is the kitchen. This is all. I wish we have pizza so we can do something with this. And yeah, this is dishwasher. Yeah, this is kitchen. We have kitchen in our hotel. That's literally like. This is the door, and this is a secret door. I won't tell you that. I'll tell you that later. And there's my dad working there. And this is the kitchen. The kitchen. Oh, this is also a thing. It's a tea, coffee thing. My dad loves tea and coffee. So that's now. This is the kitchen, and that looks like mine. I don't know what's that. Oh, this is a washing machine, I would say. You can do this here. There's a lot of things here, like kitchen and also washing machine in the hotel room. That's impossible. Okay, now see, this is the. So this is my dad working so hard on the phone, like working so hard in the office. And there's some table, and we got some phone. Charging news, I don't know what's that. This is a hall, and this is a sofa. Let me test it out. Bed is nice. This bed is nice. It's a soft thing, and also, hey, the sitting also great. Sitting also great. And this is a table. You can see the TV and like. This is some chair. This is some chair where grandmother sits, I don't know. Or any grandparents sits, I don't know. So this is how we can sit here, and this is also good. This is chair, but we don't care about this. Maybe I don't know if we can care or not care about this. And so this is the window. It's pretty much the similar one to that. Actually it's great actually to see. So yeah, it's great. It's literally similar to that only, but we don't have like this. We didn't have it. Oh, okay. But yeah. Okay, come to next room. So this is all like a walking wardrobe. I don't know this, but this is the thing. Okay, now the secret room Okay, so this is the room, and yeah, you can put phone here or something, I don't know. Anything.
Storage box?
Yeah, anything. So that's for like light, and this is so like we'll go for this later, okay? And yeah, let's just sit here and put the food here and eat maybe. Some people. I don't know what is this.
Study table.
I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this. I don't know what is this. So here comes the bed. So bed. Rest here. Actually, this is actually like a strong bed. Strongy bed actually. This is the best bed in the resort. This is actually best, not gonna lie. But when I put bedsheet in me, it won't be comfortable. Oh, there's some window. So yeah. That looks like Taj for a second. Come here. So this is the door. Okay, this is the door. You know why I won't tell you this door, but I will start from there. Come. Okay. So actually, this is a bathroom. storage and toilets here. I don't know why you're putting toilets in the phone, because I hate that. So what is the store you're thinking? Come here. So this is the door you can get. So the door is this thing. Okay, and then the next door is this. It's literally the door I said. The door I just explained is this. You can use a shortcut when you come there and come here. It's absolutely a shortcut. So that's all. Bye. So that's all. Bye.